the green tractor. Yay. Where's the blue tractor? There's the blue tractor. Yeah. And there's the green tractor. The blue tractor. Blue tractor. Ah. What's Breaker doing? What's Breaker? What's he doing? Are you going to drive the tractor? Can you drive it? You drive it. Yeah, you got to turn the steering wheel. Trying to put the exhaust pipe or whatever that is. Muffler. That's a muffler. Grandma's been off the farm too long. Can you say muffler? Muffler. Mm-hmm. Yeah, as soon as I can get that away from you, I'm going to put that up because that's swallowing size. Yeah. But I won't spoil either of our fun right at the moment. Where's the green tractor? Oh, can I have it? Thank you. No, you can't have it. Okay. Go get the green tractor. I see it. Where is it? Where's the green tractor? I see it. There's the green tractor. There it is. Go get it. Go get it. Can you get it? Uh-huh, that's the green tractor. Say green tractor? Where's Cooper? Hmm? Is Cooper asleep? Where's Cooper? Grant, look at me. Say Cooper. Hey Cooper, where are you? Do you like to play with Cooper? Cooper's your buddy, isn't he? Do you love Cooper? Say ah. Say love Cooper. You're waving at Cooper's picture and saying bye-bye, Cooper. Who else's picture's up there? Can you say Grant? Can you say Grant? Papa's. Yeah, Papa's picture's up there. You see Daddy and Mommy? Uh-huh. And Mama. See Mama? Do you see Natalie? Do you see Dustin? Grant, do you see Dustin? Do you see Grant? I see Grant. I see Grant's picture. Do you see it? Do you see it? Can I have a kiss? Yeah. Can I have a kiss? You've been a big talker today, haven't you? You gonna fix the couch? When your daddy was little, he used to fix the coffee table and the couch, Grandma's tables. Come here, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Blow big, big kisses. Blow big kisses. Go. Can you blow big kisses? Where's your big kisses?
That's my